there, everybody, and welcome back to another video today. My name is Marybeth and I just want to continue to share with you this amazing opportunity that is responsible for helping so many marketers to finally break through and succeed online. And the reason is very simple. This training, jam-packed with great value content, step-by-step video tutorials that literally take you by the hand and walk you through and show you exactly what is needed and necessary to start seeing results in your online business. And you can use this very training to help you to generate unlimited commissions with the potential to earn $50, unlimited $50 commissions, unlimited $150 commissions, and unlimited $300 commissions. This is the back office of the Pro Level membership, which is our $300 product package, the most popular and the most highly recommended, because it sets you up and positions you for the greatest income potential, and it gives you the greatest amount of value and content for your training. And you can take this training and utilize it to earn commissions with IPS and any other online home-based business that you perhaps are part of now or that you're going to join in the new year in 2023. This is Infinity Processing System, and I would love to welcome you in advance to IPS and to my team. And I just want to give you another sneak preview into exactly what you're going to be getting, which is tremendous value, okay? Especially for the price point, folks. This is a system that's been around since March of 2021, tested and proven, and we have so many testimonials and success stories pouring in daily, okay, from members inside of our Facebook group who have plugged in, taken action, used this training, completed the training, went out there into the marketplace, took massive action, applied, implemented it, and started earning commissions, okay? And it's really a wonderful thing, folks, okay? I know there's so many people out there struggling, and they have been introduced to the system that truly has brought their struggles to an end. And I'm just here to continue to share with you something that is real and something that works, okay? When we have systems like this is what motivates me and just gives me the drive to continue to share this with the masses here in the internet world, okay? So with that being said, folks, here is the training, okay? And you just simply follow it. It's literally broken down in simple steps, step-by-step video training tutorials, okay? Short step-by-step tutorials that show you exactly what to do and how to do it and why to do it. You just have to follow it and complete it, and then go out there and take what is given to you within the training, within the context of the training, apply and implement it, and start to generate leads, start to build and grow your email list. And then over time, you should see a percentage of these leads turning over and converting into paid signups, so long as you are consistent and you continue to build your following and your email list, okay? With a simple capture page. And everything that you need, folks, to create this automated sales funnel is given to you. Scripts, what to say should somebody ask you for information. It's all here, folks. So this really eliminates all of the guesswork out of the equation, folks, okay? And sets you up to operate your very own business in a very stress-free zone, because you're never going to have to stress out about how to do certain things, okay? Especially writing the ad copy, folks. This comes fully equipped with 200 pre-written ads, plus 60 additional bonus image ads already done for you, ready to go, ready for you to take, use, and take this training and start to copy and paste. Copy, paste, and post. Okay, this is a simple copy, paste, post ads system. Very, very user-friendly and newbie-friendly. Easy to navigate back office, folks. Everything's here. Your 7-day action plan for success. So you show up, especially if you're new, folks, you want to commit, you want to be consistent. It gives you the guide and the action plan, what to be doing every single day to set you up and position you for the best results and for success, okay? So much here, folks, so many different varieties and variations so that you can take and pick and choose how you want to advertise your business, okay? For example, how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites, Facebook Marketing Mastery. This is totally optional, folks, but if you want to scale your business up and move at a faster pace and rate, you can learn exactly how and where to go to purchase paid traffic. And you can use this particular platform not only for IPS, but any other home-based business. This is an excellent resource, okay, for paid traffic. Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation marketing, TikTok marketing, and exactly how to automate your business with your six-figure system, okay? How to build your email list, how to follow up with that email list. Because you will come to quickly realize and understand, folks, that the money's in the list and the fortune's in the follow-up. And this training right here is exclusive to show you exactly why that is. And then there's some wonderful bonuses here, folks. Absolutely wonderful extra bonuses in terms of travel, hotel, and restaurant discount vouchers. So let me just tap into one of the training modules. This has become a very popular platform, especially over the last year. And I don't see that changing, especially as we go into 2023. TikTok marketing, it is huge. It is growing by the day, by leaps and bounds, and it is free. This very training shows you exactly how to go viral with TikTok marketing without spending any money, okay? So you'll click here, you'll start with the first video training tutorial series. What is TikTok and why should you care? Okay, you'll watch this. Once you complete that, you'll go to the second module, Getting Started with TikTok. You'll complete this training. Then you'll go on to the third module of Creating Content on TikTok. It shows you exactly how to create winning content for TikTok. Complete that. You move down here to how to use TikTok hashtags. Another short video, okay? And you see these videos average typically around seven minutes or so in duration, okay? Then we go on to the bonus training, how to find winning hashtags, okay? And then a secondary bonus training, how to use your creativity with TikTok, okay? And then we continue on downward to marketing strategies for TikTok. And before you know it, folks, once you successfully complete all of these modules, you are going to have master TikTok, okay? And you'll be a master marketer on TikTok. So long as you take this into the marketplace, apply and implement what you've learned, run with it, stay consistent, start seeing results, and then grow and scale up your business of your choice using TikTok marketing, okay? Marketing with TikTok ads, TikTok analysis, okay? Analytics. And last but not least, they bring it all together in a short video, a short conclusion video for TikTok best practices. So there's 11. Sorry about that. There's actually 11. So there are 2 conclusion videos for best practices right here, folks. So 11 modules in all that take you by the hand, show you visually exactly how to successfully use this ever-growing, high-demand, very popular social media platform known as TikTok that has grown like crazy in the last year. Okay, so you can come into the new year 2023 having a proven strategy that you can plug into any business, whether it be your IPS business or another business. So the sooner you get started, folks, the sooner you start going through the training and successfully complete it. You take this into the marketplace, start generating leads, use the system, use the funnel, use everything that's here, the follow-up practices, to start converting your leads into paid signups and start earning commissions. So allow me to just show you a visualization chart of what's possible earning-wise from a compensation perspective. Okay, so this is the back office, folks. Like I say, everything is here that you will ever need to win and win big online. You just have to be willing to invest in yourself. Come into a quiet space and place and go through the training, and then don't let it just sit and, lay dormant on your device or on your laptop or your desktop or your smartphone, folks. You want to apply and implement right away and start the lead generation process, okay? So here it all is, folks. Love it. And here is my sales page. And once you go through my website, I'm going to put the link below like I always do in all of my videos. You'll enter your information. You'll simply be redirected here. And what you need to do so you can learn our $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. They're located in your back office, okay? You'll watch this video here, press play right here. Watch this video, come down, review all the information. This is me right here, folks, okay? Little bio, you can check everything out, find out exactly how it works, following this simple 3-step process. Okay, more details here, and these are the products. A lot of times people want to know exactly what the products are listed right here, folks, okay? Exactly what you get with that pro level $300 6-figure blueprint. All these bullets will tell you and define exactly what you get. Okay, so definitely take some time, review all of the wonderful information here. As soon as you're ready to get started, buy now. This allows you to pay with a debit or credit card. So you'll click buy now and you'll be able to check out, or you can pay by Cash App. Once I get that notification, I will turn around and send you a welcome email. You'll have full access to everything, including my additional bonuses and my additional resources, okay? For both free and paid traffic. I share and reveal exactly what I have been doing and utilizing since I got started to consistently earn with IPS since March of 2021, okay? So here is where you need to come next. Watch this video. This is the income earning potential video. It's only 4 minutes. Then you can scroll down here and have fun visualizing. Now, of course, nobody, including myself, can come in and make any claims, guarantees, or promises of income. This is just what is possible. This is the potential that exists by following the system, committing, and being consistent. So this is our $50 product package. It shows you what's possible with 1 sale a day, 3 sales a day, 5 sales a day, weekly income, monthly income. And this is our lowest product package, the starter level, okay? Then we move on to the Elite, the 150 product package. This is a visualization chart. Remember, there's no monthly fees ever, with 1 sale a day, 3 sales a day, 5 sales a day, and so forth and so on. Now, again, this is our highly recommended product package, the 6-figure blueprint. The name is fitting because if you have the aspirations to want to become a 6-figure income in 2023, that would be around $100,000 a year, minimum. You take that, you do a simple divide by 365, how many days in a given year, and that equates to right around 274 or so on a daily basis. So this happens to fit the math, folks. $300 a day is around what it takes to be able to set yourself up and position you to earn $100,000 a year or more, okay? And this shows you exactly how to accomplish that. See, 1 sale a day, what's possible? 3 sales a day, 5 sales a day, folks. This is what's possible daily, weekly, and monthly. So there is definitely great potential here. It definitely exists with a rather low ticket product package, okay? In my opinion, folks, you want something bad enough, you're going to make sacrifices. You're going to start getting your priorities squared away, and you are going to invest in yourself and be willing to invest in yourself, because the advertising involved, majority of it is free. Now, if you do want to scale up, absolutely you can do that, because we show you where to go to buy paid advertising, to invest in paid ads, which is going to free up your time. But initially, starting out, if you have more time than money, you come in and you go through the training that shows you how to advertise for free. And it's highly effective, folks. It's been tested and proven to work. And this is the visualization charts right here, these 3 charts on all 3 product packages. So you can play around with this, folks. Check it out. Then come down here and read all of this wonderful information. It's very important. Essential information on the refund policy, the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and earnings disclaimer. Okay, so that is there for you. I just suggest that you check that out. So again, you might be wondering, $300 a day, what could that do for me? Well, everybody's in a different place, folks. I mean, that can help many people to pay their bills. Stress less, get your bills paid, on time, ahead of time, help you to scale up your business, any business, of your choice, folks. You can take those $300 commissions, you can scale up your IPS business, or you can reinvest those $300 commissions into another business, okay, with paid ads. Or you can actually use the $300 commissions to join a high ticket business in the new year, folks, okay? High ticket is definitely very, very popular right now. For example, simple math, folks, 4 $300 pro level commissions, that would be right around $1,200. That would enable you to go out in the new year and join a high ticket business that is priced around $1,000. So depending on what your goals are, what you want to accomplish, what you aspire to accomplish, folks, these commissions where you get to keep 100% of the commission, $50, $150, $300, they add up over time nicely and quickly. And depending on what your specific situation is, folks, you can use them to get ahead, to help you to pay your bills, to help you get ahead financially, pay down debt, scale up any business of your choice, and or join a high ticket business in 2023. So with that being said, folks, my link is below to my website. Go ahead and enter your information, yoursuccessblueprint.net, yoursuccessblueprint.net. And you're going to be redirected right here, folks, to this very sales page. You need to watch this video first, scroll on down, review all the information, and then come on down to where the 3 products are located and choose the product package best suited for you right now today, okay? And I hope to see you soon on the inside. You'll get added to our coaching group as well as our proof and testimonials Facebook group. We have 2 awesome, dynamic, super active, very supportive Facebook groups. You'll be welcomed into our community. With that being said, folks, I'd love nothing more than to see you soon on the inside. I'd love to welcome you in advance to IPS, to the team, and we have some great bonuses awaiting you. But you've got to get started, take action. Remember, nothing happens until you take action first. This truly can help you to put you in a better place and space as we enter into the new year, folks. So if you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, folks, this can be your simple solution to a simple change for the new year. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon, hopefully, on the inside. Bye-bye. My contact information is below. Text or call me. Best way to reach me. My personal cell's also provided in the description. Okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.